Hello guys, I'm Anurag from IT Roorkee and we will be continuing discussing our top into 150 series of questions on Leetcode. And today we are going to discuss another important question, which is simplify path. So let's see what this question states. So this question states that you are given an absolute path for a Unix style file system, which always begins with a slash. Your task is to transform this absolute path into simplified canonical path. The rules for Unix style file system are as follows. A single period dot represents the current directory. Double period dot dot represents the previous or parent directory. Multiple consecutive slashes such as double slash or triple slash are treated as single slash. Any sequence of periods that doesn't match the rules above should be treated as a valid directory or file name. For example, triple dots or four dots are valid directory or file names. The simplified canonical path should follow these rules. The path must start with a single slash. The directories within the path must be separated by exactly one slash. The path must not end with a slash unless it is the root directory. The path must not have single or double periods. Dot and double dot used to denote current or parent directories. Return the simplified canonical path. Example number one is this. So we'll just remove this last slash in this and we'll return our output. In second case, we will treat these two slashes as one slash and we will remove this last slash and then we'll return our output. In third case, we will have to remove this completely because this is two dots, so we are going on upper directory. So this documents is not required. So we will just have home user and pictures, home user and pictures. And for this case, there is no directory on top of it, so we'll just remove this part. So we'll have just this. In this case, this is a folder, so this will remain as it is, and due to this double dots, this A will get removed, and due to this double dot, C will get removed, and this single dot will be removed. So we'll have just B and D. So path dot length is given as 1 to 3000 and path contains digits, period, slash or underscore. Path is a valid Unix path. So this is the question. This was a long question and I hope you have understood the question. So let's see how we are going to solve it. We will maintain one stack, and in that stack we'll keep on pushing like if we consider this example, then we'll keep on pushing first of all this element, then we'll push this element, this string, then we'll push this string, and if we encounter this double dots, then we will remove this item from the top of our stack, and then we will push this string. So in this way we will get this home user and pictures. And in case we encounter one dot, so we don't need to put anything out from the stack, we just need to move forward and we don't need to include it in our answer. And we also need to keep in mind that if there are multiple slashes, then we need to treat them as single slash, and we need to remove the last slash in our answer. So these are 4 to 5 things which we need to keep in our mind. So let's go to the code and see how we are going to solve it. So this is the function given string simplify path string path, and we are defining int n as path dot size. Then we're defining two strings ans and current as empty strings, and then we're defining one stack which has data type of string and st and st2. And then we are going from int I goes to 0 to n, and initially we are doing I plus plus because at I goes to 0 there would be slash, and then we are doing this while loop, and we are moving up to if we encounter any slash, then we are moving forward. This is in order to keep in mind that if there are multiple slashes, then we will treat it as just one slash, and here if I is equals to n, then we'll break out. Now we are checking one if condition. If path I is equals to dot, then we will go through this if condition, otherwise we'll go through the else condition, and in else condition we just need to define our current string as empty, and then we will run from I is equals to current I to less than n, and if path of I is not equals to slash, then we will just append our path I to our current string, and if I is less than n, then we will do I minus minus, because currently our I was at slash, and then we need to do I minus minus because in our loop I plus plus will happen, so that in the next iteration of the loop our loop will start from slash, and then we will push this current into our answer. This is the case in which dot is not there, but if dot is there, then we'll check if I plus 1 equals to slash, then we'll continue, because this is this case if just dot is present, then this is the case. Else if I is less than n minus 1 and I plus 1 is also dot, so if I plus 1 is also dot, then we'll check if I plus 2 is slash. I plus 2 is slash, this means that this case has occurred, these double dots have occurred. So we'll check if st is not empty, then we'll pop out the top element from our stack and we'll do I plus plus, and then we'll continue. Else we'll just follow the same process. We'll define our current string as empty, and then we will add our path I to this current string until path I becomes slash, and then we'll push this current into our stack. And same goes for this else case, the same code will run. And finally we will have our all our required answer in our st. So we'll just push all those elements into stack 2 so that we can get the correct ordering, and then we'll pop out the elements from stack 2 and we'll append into our answer with a slash. And if answer is empty, then we are handling here edge case, then we will set our answer as slash, and then we'll finally return our answer. So this is the code using stack, and let's try to run it and see whether it's working fine. So yeah, it is getting accepted here. Let's try to submit it as well. So yeah, it is working fine. I hope you understood the explanation of this question. So I will attach this code solution in the comment section. I will also attach this problem link and problem description in the description of the video. So like this video, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more such top into 150 series of questions on Leetcode.